Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: How to find an element in an array corresponding to a second array in Python. Introduction. In Python, you may often need to find elements in one array that correspond to elements in a second array. This task is common when you're working with data processing, analytics, or various algorithms. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of finding elements in an array that match elements in a second array. We'll cover two main methods to accomplish this. Let's dive into each method with code examples. Method 1, using list comprehension. List comprehension is a concise and easy to understand way to find matching elements between two arrays. This method works for both standard Python lists and NumPy arrays. Output. Method 2, using NumPy for efficient array operations. If you are working with large arrays or need to perform more complex operations, NumPy provides efficient tools for this task. The NumPy.intersect1d function can be used to find the intersection of two arrays. Output. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've explored two methods to find elements in one array that correspond to elements in another array. You can choose the method that best suits your needs based on the size of your arrays and the complexity of the task. List comprehension is a simple and straightforward approach, while NumPy offers more efficient operations for larger arrays and complex tasks. ChatGPT.